Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my appointment with my loctician to get my locks retightened. I started off by shampooing my hair and this hair looks really damp. So I am applying my hair oil to my scalp before I head out. I usually try to add generous amounts since this is the first application after my hair wash. I try to get it under my scalp to prevent dryness and actually massage it into the locks itself. Then I grab my hairbrush to brush the locks. I like to do this probably once a month or twice a month to make the locks look really nice and fresh. So just styling it, trying to see how I want to wear the locks out today. So I think this style is good. Wearing it on this side, I think I love this style. There we go. Let's head out. Okay. It's looking wonderful. Here's an up-close video of my scalp showing the hair growth. And yeah, Nisa was very wonderful today. It took less than 2 hours to get this done. And voila! I have my fresh look retightened. Look at this scalp. It looks amazing. It looks gorgeous. I like the grid. I am so much in love with this. I love fresh looks. I can't believe how far I have come in the last 12 months. Oh my goodness. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos.